Okay, let me explain what I did here. I made this video of how to make one of these levitation devices using ring magnets and cylinder magnets, and the video ended up so long that I figured nobody would bother watching it all the way to the end. So what I did was took the end clips and put them up front and saved the other part of the machining and assembly for another video later on. So you can see I'm putting the shaft through the center of the ring magnets now, and it's a little hard to get the alignment going, but once you get used to getting it in the center, it doesn't go too bad. It's in there. Oh, I'll be darned, it's in there. Okay, so here's the Mendocino rotor, and I'm going to try to put that in the fixture and see how it works. A little bit of a trick, isn't it? There. Okay, so there we go. Find a magnet here. Now this will jump off of this other fixture that I have, the other stand, because of balance issues. Something that I have to talk about later. There's some anomalies between the magnets and the balance. So let's see how it holds up here. Alright, I'm not sure I have optimal positioning here. I certainly don't with the magnet, so it's moving pretty good though. And by now on the other base it probably would have jumped off, so capturing the shaft with these ring magnets and cylinder magnets seem to do pretty well. I'm sure that's going several thousand RPMs right now. Okay. Okay, so that works. Okay, here's the shaft. It's 1/4 inch, and I've put 1/4 inch cylinder magnets over the machined ends. You can see the points there. So we're going to put this in. Alright. There is an anomaly about these magnets. Now if they're uneven, it gives you a false reading of the balance. Now see, it seems to, I have a little mark here, you can see it. It seems to stop like the shaft is out of balance. Well, really, it's not. It's probably perfect. Now I would attribute that to having some unevenness in the ring and some evenness of the magnet on the shaft itself. So as it rotates, it creates a little bit of a cog or a place that wants to stop. That's not serious, but it's there, you know. I can try turning the magnets, maybe switching some, and maybe I can get rid of that problem, but we'll see. But there you have it. So the shaft is in there. I don't have the other end plate on. I don't need it. I probably have a little more pressure on the point than is necessary, but she's swinging around in there right now. You can see the shaft is in the center of the ring magnets, and of course this will work in any direction. So now the next experiment will be to try to put something on it and see what happens. Okay, let's have a whack at this and see what we get. This is a Delran rotor that I experimented with earlier and put it aside for a while. Come on. Okay. Oh. Oh, look at that. It almost wants to run by itself already. Okay, so there we go. All we need is some magnets and we're on our way. It's suspended nicely. Closer. Centered. I don't know how much weight this would support. I don't think it would support the 2-pound rotor from my other window motor, but all I need is some 1/4-inch magnets for this and we can give it a try. I'll get back with you later.